is a bright and cheerful color that brings warmth and happiness to the interior. It is often associated with sunshine, optimism, and energy. In interior design, it can be used as an accent color to add a pop of brightness or as a main color to create a fun and lively space. Yellow is also known to stimulate creativity and aid in concentration, making it a great choice for home offices or creative spaces. Yellow sofa can add a pop of color and an element of fun to any interior. Here are some ways to incorporate this bold piece into your home. Pair it with neutral walls. This will allow the sofa to be the focal point of the room while also keeping the space feeling balanced. Use complementary colors. Shades of blue, green, and purple work well with yellow and can add a sense of harmony to the space. Patterns. Pair your yellow sofa with printed curtains or patterned throw pillows to add depth and interest to the space. Create contrast. Dark accent pieces such as black or dark brown furniture can create a dramatic contrast with a yellow sofa. Metal and glass accents, silver, gold, and bronze materials can add a sense of elegance and sophistication to any space with a yellow sofa. Overall, a yellow sofa can be a great addition to any room as long as it is balanced with other design elements and accents.